Hi everybody, I'm Mrs. Farnsworth. I'm your homeroom teacher and I'm super excited that I get to meet all of you. This is my fourth year of teaching. I recently joined Utah Virtual Academy. I was teaching in Arizona Virtual Academy with Insight over there. And so I was there 2 years teaching math, and now I'm here in Utah. We just moved up to Logan and I'm really excited. I'll be teaching math, but as an interventionist. So I'll be helping students that are struggling in math that may need help. But right now I'm your homeroom teacher, so you'll see me probably about once a week, maybe once every other week. We're not sure yet, getting that schedule down. But you'll see that I love to have fun in class, and I might even break out into song if you're lucky. So be listening. If you're wondering what's behind me here, my husband is a huge Dutch oven enthusiast. You can't even see all of it that's there. He loves to Dutch oven cook. So maybe we could get together sometime and do like a Dutch oven cooking. I don't know, we'll have to see. But I'm excited to get to know you, and I have a little bit about me. I have two kids. One is 5. He just turned 5, going into kindergarten. His name is Logan. Then I have a 3-year-old. He's turning 3 this month. And we're super excited. And I have been married 7 years. So I'm going to now kind of do a little slideshow about myself, and so kind of get to know me a little bit. And I can't wait to get to know you in class, as well as having you guys fill out that Google survey that I send out in the welcome email. Make sure to fill that out as well so I can get to know you. All right, well, thank you and have a fantabulous day, and I'm excited to get started.